Hi guys, welcome to class. So now let's look at Streptococcus as a disease-causing bacteria. Strep, well, you guys have heard about strepsis. It's more like a combination between Streptococcus being the causative agent and your tonsils, representing the area of the throat where the inflammation happens, signifying sore throat. So very wise, good marketing, strepsis. Well, you wouldn't know because, of course, you just wouldn't know. But now you will know. Streptococcus, correct. Now, a wise student, on seeing the coccus there, should by now be able to say, yes, it means that these bacteria should most likely be spherical in shape. Well, if that was your initial thought, yeah, you are on the way to become a genius. Okay, so Streptococcus is a gram-positive bacteria. In this case, we say gram-positive cocci. So it's a gram-positive bacteria. So you can say gram-positive cocci. It is spherical in shape. It is spherical in shape, and is aerobic. Now, the Streptococcus species is indicated for, now basically Streptococcus species like the pathogens, the pneumoniae, you could have the galactia if you want to. So the group A streps, pathogens, the group B streps, the galactiae, as well as the pneumoniae, you have the viridians as well. But the strep species, most strep species, let's use that. Most Streptococcus, let's complete it. Most Streptococcus species are present in the upper respiratory tracts. There you go. Are present in the upper respiratory tracts. Okay. Are present in the upper respiratory tracts. And they are indicated for three. So there are three major diseases. Problem. So there are three major diseases that you have the strep guy is indicated for. You have sore throat, you have scarlet fever, and of course you have pneumonia. I tell you, pneumonia is not something interesting. If it's not well handled, you may be entering acute respiratory failure. Bacterial pneumonia is quite common, particularly among babies, little children. You have it. So these are the three major diseases or disease conditions caused by Streptococcus. For instance, the pneumonia now is caused by a species of Streptococcus called, well, the name gives it itself, Streptococcus pneumoniae, a group A strain. Yeah, an alpha hemolytic strep. So, pneumonia, for instance, is caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae. The sore throat, for instance, you have it caused by Streptococcus pyogenes, also called group A strep. So there you go. Scarlet fever is more like, most strep cause that, basically, and the scarlet fever is most more due to toxins, these toxins that the strep guys release you. Because this scarlet fever is more like it makes up, it's evident in almost all disease caused by the strep species. And then we also have anthrax. Now I told you that there's this gram-negative anaerobe bacilli. I said it's gram-negative, is anaerobic, similar to the Clostridium which I mentioned, and it's a bacilli. I said it's called bacillus, right? Well, bacillus will be coming up now because it's indicated in this disease condition we call anthrax. And anthrax affects mostly animals, though it could also affect humans, but it's majorly animals, particularly your cattle. So it's caused by, this condition is caused by bacillus. This condition is caused by bacillus anthracis. Even not only humans, bacteria is also indicated in diseases that occur in plants as well as animals. In addition, but we're focusing on humans for this section. So it's caused by bacillus anthracis. So we still have more organisms, microorganisms, more bacteria, more disease-causing bacteria. See you in the next class.